Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word and laptop. Microsoft Word 2016 is a word processing software developed by Microsoft. It is used to create, edit, format, save, and print documents. Microsoft Word is commonly used in schools, colleges, offices, and homes for preparing assignments, letters, reports, resumes, and projects. It allows users to work efficiently with text and documents in a professional way. And to open the Microsoft Word 2016 on laptop, on the bottom you can see there's a search. Select the search and type down Word and select to this app that says Word 2016. And after opening a Word, you need to click on the blank document over here and a new white page appears on the screen. This is called the document area where we type our content. The blinking vertical line is called the cursor, which shows where the text will appear. The title bar at the top of the window and displays the document name. Below it's the quick access toolbar which contains save, undo, and redo commands. And over here, you could see the home, insert, design, and the layout. The status bar is located at the bottom that shows page numbers over here and word count and zoom level as well. You can zoom how much you want by simply swiping over this line, and the home tab is used for basic formatting. We can change font style, font size, and font color. You can either do it with bold, italic, underline options are used to emphasize the text. And over here, the text alignment option include left, center, right, and justify as well. And the bullet numbering help organize content neatly over here. And this insert tab is used to add extra elements to the document. We can insert tables or organize data, pictures from the computer, shapes, charts, and text boxes. Headers and footers are used to add information at the top or bottom of each page. Page numbers can also be added using the tab. And the design tab over here helps improve the overall appearance of the document by applying themes, colors, and fonts. The layout tab is used to set margins, orientation, page size, and spacing. We can choose portrait or landscape orientation depending on our document needs. And the reference tab is mainly used for academic and research documents. The reference tab is mainly used for academic and research documents. It allows us to insert a table, contents, footnotes, citations, and bibliography. This tab is very useful for long documents like projects and research papers as well. And the review over here. This helps check errors and improving writing. The spelling and grammar rules check mistakes automatically. We can also add comments and track changes when working with others as well. And the view tab over here allows us to change how the document is displayed. We can switch between read mode, print layout, and web layout. And the zoom option. On the bottom right, we can see there's a zoom option. It helps increase or decrease the page size on the screen. And to save a document after you're done, click on the file tab on the top left over here. You need to select save or save as. Select the location after that. You want to either put it onto browse your place or this PC, as I'm going to select this PC, and select the location as well. And after you're done, select save. And saving regularly prevents data loss. And if you want to print a document, you can simply click onto this print and you need to choose the printer numbers of copies and page range and click print to get a hard copy of the document. Next page, you can start typing your text and you can select the text and press over here, and you can select the control plus B, which is the bold letter, or for italic you can use control plus I, and for underline you need to control plus U, and that is it. If you want to change the font style and the size in the home tab, for example, you want font Arial, Calligraphy, Times New Roman, you can simply double press over here. You can select this body, click into this icon, and you can change all of the fonts over here. And if you want to maintain the size, you can go over here and you can make it either higher or lower. If you want to put an legit, you can do that as well. You can select enter. If you want to change the text color, you can also be changed to make headings or important points to stand out. If you want to change the text color over here, we could see this font color. Click into this. If you want to change other color as well, you can select this icon and you'll find all of the theme color as well. To organize the lists, you can click the bullets to create dot. To the insert home. Over here, you need to go to the home and select this here, and the bullet just got added to your text. Now the keyboard shortcut save line. Control plus B is bold, Control plus I is italic, Control plus U is underline, Control plus C is copy, Control plus V is paste, Control plus X is cut, and Control plus Z is undo. And after that, you can simply go to the file and save it. And make sure you save it on your location where you can view it. Now let us understand page setup, which is extremely important when we are preparing assignments, college projects, or official documents. If the page setup is not correct, even a good document can look unprofessional. And to control, you need to do the page layout. On the top, you can see there's a layout. Select that over here. The first option we usually use is margins on the first option, and margins decide how much space is left on the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the page. For most assignments, the normal margin is used. However, if a teacher or office asks for narrow or wide margins, we can easily change them from over here. And another important feature is page break. Many beginners press the enter key again and again to move text to the next page, but that is not the correct way. Instead, we should use the page break. When we insert page break over here, select the insert, and over here we can see there's a page break. You need to select to that, and Word automatically moves the text to a new page and keeps the document neat, and this is especially useful when starting a new chapter as well. And now we will talk about headers and footers, which are used in almost every professional document. Header is the area at the top of the page and a footer is the area at the bottom of the page. This section usually contains information like document title, organization name, student name, or page numbers. And to add a header or footer, you need to go to the insert over here. And over here, we can see the headers or footers, and Word provides different styles, and you can choose any one and type your text. Once added, the same header or footer appears automatically on all the pages. And also, adding page numbers is very important, especially for projects and reports. And to insert page numbers, click on the page number over here, just below the footer, and choose where you want them to appear. You need to click onto this page. You want it either top of page, bottom of page, page margins, current position. You can also remove or format the page numbers by yourself. And this helps reader easily navigate through the document and give it a professional look. Now let us understand styles, which many beginners ignore, but they're extremely powerful. Style help us format headings and paragraphs in a consistent way throughout the document. And in the home tab, you will see options like heading 1, heading 2, and normal. Instead of manually changing font size and bolding text for heading, we should use these styles. For example, the main title of a chapter should be set as heading 1, subtopics as heading 2, and normal content as normal. And the biggest advantage of using styles is that they help us automatically create a table of content. When styles are used properly, Word can instantly generate a table of content without extra work. This is extremely helpful for long assignments and research projects. And now we'll look at a very useful feature called Find and Replace. This tool is helpful when working with a long document where a word name is repeated many times. To open it, you need to press Ctrl plus H. And on the keyboard, a small box appears. In the Find box, type the word you want to search for, and in the Replace box, type the new word, then click Replace or replace all. For example, if a name or date is written incorrectly throughout the document, instead of correcting it one by one, we can fix everything in just one click, and this saves a lot of time and reduces mistakes. Microsoft Word also allows us to insert hyperlinks, which are clickable links to website or email addresses. To add a hyperlink, you need to select the text, right click, and simply paste the web address. This feature is useful in reports, assignments, and digital documents. We can also insert symbols and special character. To do this, you need to go to the Insert tab on the top and click to the symbol. And Microsoft Word also checks spelling and grammar automatically. Red underline spelling mistake, blue underline is grammar suggestion. To check manually, you can go to this review over here and you can click spelling and grammar. You can also change the language of the document from the status bar at the bottom, and this is useful when typing in different. And Microsoft Word 2016 is a powerful and easy to use software for creating professional documents, and by understanding its tools and features, users can work efficiently and produce well-formatted documents. It is an essential application for students and professionals. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any problem using Microsoft, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.